You heard testimony from Malcolm Connolly, another security member, who testified he saw Ms. Heard throw things at Mr. Depp: a cigarette lighter on a plane, a soda can from upstairs at the Eastern Columbia building. He never saw marks on Ms. Heard, but he saw marks on Mr. Depp: scratches, bruises on his left eye, scratches on his left ear.
Johnny Depp's team delivered closing arguments Friday, May 27th in the blockbuster defamation trial that has raged on for 6 weeks. Depp's all-star attorney, Camille Vasquez, began by labeling Amber Heard an abuser. There is an abuser in this courtroom, but it's not Mr. Depp. There's a victim of abuse in this court, but it's not Ms. Heard, Vasquez said. Ms. Heard is in fact the abuser, and Mr. Depp is the abused. That one must have hit the actress real hard. Listen to this.
And there is a victim of domestic abuse in this courtroom, but it is not Ms. Heard. The evidence presented at this trial has shown that Ms. Heard is in fact the abuser, and Mr. Depp the abused. As you heard from Mr. Depp and multiple other witnesses that testified under oath at this trial, Mr. Depp experienced persistent verbal, physical, and emotional abuse by Ms. Heard during their relationship. And when their relationship was over, Ms. Heard inflicted the greatest and cruelest injury of all. She publicly and falsely named Mr. Depp as the abuser. Ms. Heard never thought she would be held accountable, never thought that she would have to face her abuser. She never thought she would have her supposed mountain of evidence vetted. She never thought that Mr. Depp would tell you, the jury, and the world that he was the real victim of domestic abuse.
The decently dressed attorney started by reminding the jury of what Amber Heard did exactly 6 years ago. On May 27, 2016, Ms. Heard walked into a courthouse in Los Angeles, California to get a notice ex parte restraining order against Mr. Depp, and in doing so, ruin his life by falsely telling the world she was a survivor of domestic violence against Mr. Depp. Today, on May 27, 2022, exactly 6 years later, we asked you to give Mr. Depp his life back by telling the world that Mr. Depp is not the abuser Ms. Heard said he is, and hold Ms. Heard accountable for her lies.
A soda can from upstairs at the Eastern Columbia building. He never saw marks on Ms. Heard, but he saw marks on Mr. Depp: scratches, bruises on his left eye, scratches on his left ear. And he took pictures documenting injuries like this one.
These words are direct and simple, but hold the weight of biblical illusion. The wisdom Camille has been spewing in the courtroom left everyone impressed, even Amber's legal team. The lawyer's savagery didn't stop at that. She attacked Amber head-on with the truth. 6 years ago today, Ms. Heard filed a false report of domestic violence against her husband of 15 months, Johnny Depp. It was a setup. She tipped off the paparazzi so they would be waiting. They knew where she would pause and show off her bruise, Vasquez told the jury. Vasquez said Amber's allegations are wild, over the top, and implausible, and you can't pick and choose which of them to believe and disregard. You believe all of it or none of it. Oof, that's not so kind, but it is the truth. If there's anyone whose stars have shone in the 6 weeks, hands down, we'll give it to Camille. What impressed you the most about this amazing lawyer? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.